Cal, and in this tutorial we will install IBM Cloud Private 2103 on Ubuntu Linux 1604, and this video is part of a series. We have made it up to here, so we have checked that the system meets the system requirements and we have prepared the cluster for installation. So we can now go on and install the enterprise environment, the enterprise edition. So what we did, we have installed Docker on our single node, which acts as a boot node and a master node and a proxy node and a worker node. We have done that. So we have to put the installer there, and then we have to execute this command. And that's what we will do. But I have a better idea than that what is shown here, even though it works. So I'm working from my home location and I am connected to a server on the office location. So what happens if the connection breaks? Then the installer will be in a bad state. To remedy that, we'll use the screen command. So I will enter the command screen, and then I press space, enter the command top, and top will keep running. When I now press Ctrl A and then D, I will detach. But the screen will still be there. Right, so if I disconnect and reconnect, then the screen will still be there. And we're back in the screen. Okay, so we'll do the installation from here. So we are here in the directory. We have the IBM Cloud Private Enterprise Edition. We press the command copy and we paste it, and then it will start to load it into Docker. And while it's doing that, we can press Ctrl A and then D, and we can safely exit and return when it's done. So Ctrl A, D, and we're now detached. We're safe. The installer will run on the master node. Sorry, the software will be loaded into Docker, and we can keep an eye on it using the command top or perhaps atop. Okay, so we use top, and we can see that he is busy. So we'll wait until he is done. Then he will be quiet again. So we'll be back in let's say 20 minutes. I'll pause the video, and once it's done, we'll resume the video. See you later. Okay, we're a few minutes further, so let's reattach. And yes, it has been completed, so that's good. So then we can continue with the next steps. Okay, so we're now here in the location where the IBM Cloud Private will be installed. Copy it. I believe that is very quick as well. Yes. Okay. So he extracts the configuration files. You can see the license. Oh yeah, that's nice. And if we want to change the language, then we can set it here. Of course we can read this language. So in the previous videos we had set up access via SSH with an SSH key. So what remains is the final steps where we set up the host file that defines our cluster, the topology of Kubernetes, ICP, and then if that's done we will complete the installation. So we'll do that in the final video.